Hi guys, so yeah, this is my hair underneath the bonnet. So behind the scenes story, right? So I had this shoot for this advertisement for a bank, and I initially went with my wig, but they didn't want my wig, they wanted my natural hair. So I had to like do this hairstyle under like 10 minutes, and they sprayed all of the all of the things underneath my hair or on my hair. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's dried and tangled. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to section the hair in two very gently, because this hair is dry and is the ghetto right now. It's going through it. So I'm going to go in with my fenugreek water. So the things I added in this water are fenugreek seeds, of course, and dried rosemary. Yeah, I added both of them, and then I added water in the bottle yesterday, and I left it to sit overnight, and this is what it's looking like right now. So I'm going to use that to just moist my hair a bit so I don't work with dry hair. Then I'm going to heat this up, and this is what I'm going to use for my hot oil treatment. I switched the applicator bottle because I could not figure out the other one. So we're just going to start. I'm just going to start now. And I'm going to basically massage that into the hair. My hair feels soft, which is weird. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Is it the fenugreek water? Could be. Now that it's a bit damp, I'm going to go in with the hot oil. It's a bit warm, so I'm not going straight to my scalp. I'm just putting it on the hair so it works its way into the scalp. So I'm also going to do this as well. And when I'm done, I'm just going to twist it up in a loose twist and put it in bantu knots. So yes, that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to spray my hair with fenugreek. So I'm going to finish up with this section and come back to meet you guys, okay? So I've saturated my hair with the oil, literally saturated my hair with the oil. So now I'm going to use this plastic bag to cover my hair. Then I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes and I'll be back. Hi guys, this is like probably an hour later. I don't know if it's because my hair is damp or it just feels soft. I don't know which one of them. I know my hair needs trimming. I'm very fully aware of that, okay? Oh, this feels nice. My hair feels soft, which I really like and appreciate. Now I'm going to shampoo my hair. I'm going to be using the shampoo because, well, why shouldn't I? I just use any random shampoo, honestly. I don't have like a specific shampoo. Sometimes I use Aztec clay mask, but I feel my hair is not so dirty or not too bad. So yeah, I'm just going to use the shampoo. So I'm going to go wash my hair and I'll come back. Hi guys. So I just shampooed my hair. Now I'm going to apply my treatment on it. So I'm going to be using this treatment as a deep conditioner. Are hair treatment deep conditioners? I don't know, but anyways, this is what it's looking like. So I made this out of banana and a couple of things. It works out on my hair. I'm going to make another video on it, but if it's a fail, then oh well. Anyways, yeah, is the main ingredient is banana. So now I'm just going to start applying it to my hair. I hope I don't get banana residues like the seeds stuck in my hair. It feels, I don't know how it feels, but let's keep going. Let me not just jump into conclusion. Oh, look at that, guys. That's my actual curl pattern. Like, it's like, but anyways, hey guys, so I'm done applying the treatment on my hair. Now I'm just going to cover up my hair, but before I cover up my hair, I like to drop sometimes drops of peppermint oil on my scalp. I don't want to go on my hair, rather. If it gets to my scalp, fine. If it doesn't, I really cannot be bothered. But I just like to drop drops of it, and then I'm going to cover up my hair with the plastic bag once again. So I'm just going to use this plastic bag and cover my hair. I try to fit it in one. I'm going to use this towel to wrap around my hair just so it traps the heat while I wait for it. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to do whatever around the house, and after maybe an hour I'll come back and, you know, show you guys what my hair looks like. Hopefully it works out. Hopefully my hair makes a difference, or it's soft or something. But yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to go chill and then come back when I'm ready to wash this out. Okay. Hi guys, so yeah, this is probably like an hour later. It's time to take this out and let's see. It's time to know our feet, or it's time for me to know my feet. I don't know why I'm bringing you guys in it. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Okay, it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel soft. It feels clean. This is what my hair is looking like in all fussiness. I smell the banana anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go wash it off now so we can see like the end results and whatnot. Okay, hey guys, so okay guys, my hair feels so soft. I don't know how else to explain it to you guys, but my hair feels so soft. I think I just found like a whole new routine for my natural hair. I'm not ready to take down everything, but anyways, this is my hair right now. It feels so soft. It feels nice. So I used like my conditioner to just rinse it out. Even after rinsing the treatment, my hair still felt soft. Out of habit, I had to use a conditioner just to wash it out. Like, I just put it in, took a shower, and then washed it out, rinsed it out. So that's basically it. Right now I'm just going to use my oil and shea butter to just just do maybe twist and then take it out and style it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want me to show, of course I want to share with you guys so you guys can see like the treatment I did. That's it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay.